Good evening and welcome back. My name is Apratim Chatterjee, Assistant Professor, Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, Language University. Today's topic will be communication networks. As communication network, we understand that how a communication flows and in through which hierarchy the communication flows. First, we'll understand what is a chain network. The chain network of communication is or a vertical network of communication is where the communication is transferred vertically from A to B, B to C, C to D, and vice versa. The communication network is been flown from the A, B, C, D, E and E, D, C, B, A. This way the communication is flowing in hierarchy. Second, Y network of communication. A Y network of communication, or it is the inverted Y network of communication, where the communication is the source of communication is one, but the information is being spread to many people in hierarchy. See, from the communication it is inverted Y, so we will see it is a B to A, and then the communication network, this source communication is passed to D and C. So it widens the network of the information. The third point is wheel network. Now in wheel network we see that the source of communication is one. The source of communication is one, but C, D, B, E, they are getting the same information from one source. Over here it is very much similar to Y network of communication, where the source of network was also same, but the main difference comes in wheel network of communication and Y network of communication is in Y network the information is spread through a hierarchy, where but in wheel network it is not so. It is not spread in a hierarchy. It is one individuals can get their information from one particular source, that is A. Next, now a circle network. A circle network, as we can see, it is the circle network. Over here the information is being spread amongst this particular group of individuals in an organization. A, B, C, D, E are a group where of an organization, and they are exchanging information amongst themselves. So that we will call a circle network of communication. Fourth, but not the least, all-star communication. Now in all-star communication, everyone can get information from anyone. So here the communication or the information flows vertically, diagonally and horizontally. So the diagonal communication from D to A, there is a communication which is going on. There is also communication going from A to C. So in star communication everyone is getting the information. There is no restriction over getting information from particular source. So in this this is the star network communication. These are the four types of network communication that are being followed in an organization. And in the star network communication is the most common network of communication used in organizations nowadays. We'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you.